Hi folks, Jay from the Volo Auto Museum. It's my family business and my job is to go out and hunt these cars down. We've got a gorgeous 69 Chevelle for you today, and we're going to go around, show you the whole car, tell you about it, and stick around because we're going to fire it up too. Color, gorgeous. I just hope it comes out half as good on your TV as it is here in person. This burgundy metallic paint is absolutely gorgeous, and the quality of it's outstanding. The gaps are nice. It's like glass. The metal flake is laid out. I don't see any bubbling or cracking or issues. Outstanding paint job. Super clean straight body, and it was born a burgundy with the white interior. It's got a new vinyl top. All the trim and bright work is real nice and shiny. Tail lights have been replaced. Again, the chrome and trim is beautiful. Trunk fits nice and square. Everything lines up. Boy, it's even slick to the touch. It's got Corvette rally wheels on it, 15x8s, BF Goodrich tires. The interior is actually the original, except the front seat was recovered. The rest of it's original. I have a pile of paperwork on my desk, which I haven't gone through yet, but the original window sticker and protecto plate is all part of the package I have. And then all the receipts for any work that was done. I believe it's always been a well cared for, clean car. Wait till you see what's under the hood too. I wanted to show you the colors first of all. Just outstanding. The rubber's all real nice, windshield's crystal clear. They did put the Super Sport hood on it. It's a Chevelle Malibu, which is great. You see Super Sports all the time. And then up front here, all the trim looks like it's new. The grille, the moldings, all looks new. About to show you what's under the hood. 383 stroker motor, a fresh engine, and that's fuel injected. It's got polished intake. It's got the March pulley and belt system up front. All nice looking. It's got headers, HEI ignition. Painted up real nice. Good looking valve covers and air cleaner. It has a new power disc brake system. Disc brakes up front, drum and back. Go to volocars.com. We'll have about 100 pictures of this car, including the underside, because it's got some upgraded suspension, Hotchkiss suspension parts too. It's really clean underneath. Glad the sun is shining. I hope you get an appreciation for just how gorgeous this color combination is. Said we just got this car in. I have a pile of paperwork to read through, but I'll put all the specs on our website, volocars.com, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Putting awesome cars on there every day. This one is for sale. We have all the tools on our website to get it in your driveway. We've got financing, shipping. It's a fuel injected 383 stroker. Can't wait here to see what it does. Snappy. Had a little hesitation when I took off. It is cold. It is not warmed up yet. This thing runs great.